cut them.
Try that one.
Woohoo! All the bed bolts are out. Can't forget this. Your fuel fill right there, 3.7 millimeters. Pull your tail lights out, and you got a wiring harness that goes up inside of here. Kind of clips into there. Got that pulled out of there as well. We're gonna clean it up and rip it off.
What? Keep that back. Oh.
Here's the rust-free bed in beautiful shape. Couple little dings. It's a little scratched up, but it's going on a work truck, our tow pig, so not too worried about it. And then he also had same color, both extended cab doors. There's the other one. The bed has a spray and bed liner already in it. Super pumped, guys. We're just cleaning up the frame a little bit. Super excited. We're gonna get this thing unloaded, and then we'll do our stuff underneath the bed. And the truck's back there. We're gonna be painting up the frame a little bit. Let's go. All right, guys, so final product here. We got it all bolted down, got our spacing all lined up and nice. As you can see, this is the driver's side. The driver's side actually looks really nice. We don't have any issues over here. Like I said, we use that fluid film to coat everything. I think it'll work really well. This is an OEM tailgate. As you can see, it's really beat up. We do have this tailgate, which is off of the other bed. It's a Chinese tailgate though, so it's, I don't know. We might try to fix this one and paint it maybe. And then this is the passenger side. The only issues we have over here is a little ding right there. So one little ding there, but other than that, guys, this is just freaking awesome. Rust free, so much nicer than the other one. We're gonna spray it off and probably give it a little bit of a wax just to help protect it a little bit better. Like I said, it's got a spray-in bed liner, our new hardware for the bed. Super stoked, guys. And then we have our extended cab doors here, which are beautiful and rust-free compared to these ones. And then, yes, I know, cab corners, work in progress, guys, work in progress. Cab corners for sure, they're on the list. Let me show you guys this side. This side's really bad. Yeah, so pretty much gone. Cab corner's gone. Our front doors, you guys, if you guys have been on the channel, you guys know that we already did the front doors. Those are rust-free. Rocker panels look good. You know, I'm not gonna go crazy with this truck. We are gonna be using it to plow a little bit. Probably just, you know, around the house or whatever, but yeah, guys, I'm super happy. Super happy. Quick little bit of information here. Paid $1,300 for the bed, and then paid $500 for the two extended cab doors and $500 for the two front doors. Now, I mean, I think it's a smoking deal, especially since I was able to get it in the same color. I think that's really rare and hard to find, especially in this color, which is like a dark metallic gray. So, man, that bed looks good. So, super excited, guys. So that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video, guys. Nothing too crazy, just kind of knocking some stuff out on the tow truck. We are going to be doing the extended cab doors and putting some sound deadener in those, as well as swapping over our stereo system as well, which you guys saw in the last video. So we're just going to start slowly knocking away at this thing. I'm really happy with the way it's coming together. You know, that rust-free bed, those cab corners make it really obvious. But yeah, just really happy. This was kind of a different video than how I normally format them. Just kind of showing you guys what I did to pull it off. So basically, chop the head of the bolts off. We tried to weld. It worked on one of them. Chop the heads off with a die grinder and a cutoff wheel. You got to do tail lights and your fuel filler neck as well. You got to pull that out of there. There's also a wiring harness for the tail lights that you got to pop out. Not too big of a deal. Pull that stuff out of the way, and then we just picked it up, got it out of the way, and then you know, we coated this bed. Make sure you get up in the wheel wells really nice. There's foam in there, and you want that oil to soak into that foam. So that's really what saves these beds. So we did that, and we also painted the frame a little bit. Just kind of hit it with a wire wheel. Nothing too crazy. We weren't going to go all out. Like I said, guys, we're going to be using this truck. It's going to go into the woods. It's going to get scratched. It's going to get, you know, hopefully no dents. I don't like dents, but we are going to be plowing with it and stuff. You know, we just want the truck to last as long as possible. I was actually getting made fun of for the little floppy flop in the front of the bed there. So we got that taken care of. Yeah, I'm just super happy, super excited, and we're going to keep plugging away at this. Race truck will be coming back to the channel. I promise, guys. I promise it's going to be coming back to the channel. More 6-liter information and how-to videos, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get back into it. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.